Hey guys, welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today what we're going to be doing is a quick cartoon drawing of Iron Mike Tyson. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and we're going to get started. What I like to do first of all is I like to do an overall head shape. So I'll start here with an outer line, and I'll go to my inner line. And I'm kind of just doing the outside of my face. And I'm imagining a little center line in the face. Okay. So that center line is going to help. Knowing that where that center line is going to help you to be able to know where to put things at. So I know my center lines are going to be right around here somewhere. Alright, now this is kind of where our eyebrow shape's going to go. So what makes Mike Tyson's eyebrows stand out is the fact that they have, you want to capture that. Those are those little idiosyncrasies. Somebody told me that at work yesterday. It's like, I like the way you capture the idiosyncrasies. And I thought he was calling me an idiot at first because I never heard that word before. And then I was like, oh, that's what that word means. Thank you, sir. Okay, so now I'm going to do my nose shape here. So since it's a 3/4 view, I'm only going to use half of the nose, the ball, and the flat, long part in the middle. You see how that works? And he don't have much of a bridge in his nose, so you don't want to put too much of that. And now I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to draw his mouth shape. Just like that. Mike Tyson has one of those smiles you got to get right. Okay, so I'm not going to use too much line on his mouth. I don't want to draw too much attention, but I just want it to be enough where it's recognizable as Iron Mike. Okay. Now we're going to add the eye shape here, so we're going to do something like this. We're going to bring it in here, bring it around, and then we'll bring the bottom part around, and then we'll do the same thing over here. One, and then we'll go like this, and we'll go around the outside, and then we'll just add the eyes in there. And that's awesome. All right. Now we're going to add Mike's tattoos. So let me see if I can get something that kind of looks like that. I'll thicken it in later on with my other marker. I'm just going to bring it around just where it needs to be at. Remember guys, it's all about just relaxing, drawing, and having fun. You want to forget about your worries and your fears and all that. You got to use, when I was a child, I would use drawing as a meditation tool. I sit there with my pen and my paper, and it allowed me to escape. So when my mom would put me under punishment, I would be off punishment when I start drawing. She'd send me to the room and tell me, just go to your room, and I'd go to my room and break out my pen, and I start drawing pictures of myself in the park where I was off punishment. Yeah. But you gotta do it like that. Alright, so add a little bit of dark here to my eyebrows here. Remember, this is a very powerful part of Mike's persona, is his eyebrows. And we're gonna add a little like that. There we go. Now you see how that really helped us out right there, didn't it? That little idiosyncrasy helped us out. Alright, so I think that if you saw this guy in a cartoon somewhere, you would be like, dude, you're Mike Tyson. And he would be like, yeah. I'm messing with you, Mike. Don't get mad at me. I like him. I got a lot of respect for Mike, man. He's really just changed over the years. You know, I grew up when Mike Tyson was a heavyweight champion of the world, and in fact, I'm from New York, so I can remember, you know, just Mike Tyson in his Lexus. He actually had he used to, I think, have a girlfriend in the same apartment building as I lived in. Her mom used to be my babysitter. But anyway, yeah, old Mike. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just do some shadows, guys. So we're pretty much about to close out. I'm just gonna add some shadows in little strategic places. We're gonna make sure that we get all the idiosyncrasies, guys. That's our new word for the day. Okay, and then we'll put like a little thing right here. I've actually drawn Mike Tyson before, but every time, because I keep learning, it's one thing about art, you are going to spend you have to look at it like it's a lifelong process. You never know everything. You're gonna have to find yourself saying, go back to the basics a lot, because you know what happens is once we get more book knowledge, a lot of times we start thinking we know everything, and then you add too much to it. You do too much, and then you start losing it in your drawings. What a life lesson though, right? Because you can lose it in life too. Okay guys, so pretty much we got our drawing down to a science. I'm just gonna add a little bit of contrast here, just so you know what I mean. And we're gonna go ahead and just start closing out here. So guys, I want to take this time to thank you for watching our video and tutorial. We're going to be posting more of these little videos up soon. Just me, my commentary about, I don't know, whatever, drawing. I don't do politics and religion though. I just kind of try to keep it simple. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. And also to hit that notifications button. You know, we do a live stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday morning. These are live streams, so I will be drawing like a band or a group, or, you know, somebody noteworthy in history. And then you can make requests. And it's just a bunch of us online encouraging one another and having a good time. So we definitely want you to attend. In fact, I have a stream today at 3:30. I hope you guys once again enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Have a blessed and wonderful evening. Mike Tyson, guys.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.